Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear paper jam errors in your Brother MFC-J995DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. This video will also cover several types of paper jam errors and allow you to clear the resulting error messages. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is any paper loaded in the manual feed slot, remove it as well. If there is jam paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Next, carefully raise the front of the machine 6 to 8 inches. Locate the green levers on either side of the paper cavity and slide them towards the front of the machine. This will release the plastic flap at the top of the cavity. Then grab the flap and tilt it up and out of the way. Check for additional jammed paper or paper scraps and remove any found. Now gently lower the machine back into position. Turn to the back of the machine and open the jam clear cover. Remove any jammed paper by gently pulling with both hands. Check for paper scraps and remove any found. Close the jam clear cover, listening for it to lock into place. Next, open the manual feed slot and gently remove any paper or paper scraps found. Now open the scanner cover. Check the platen area and remove any jammed paper or paper scraps. If the printhead is in the locked position on the right side of the platen, press and hold the red X on the control panel for 5 seconds. When the printhead moves to the center, check the right side of the platen for jammed paper. Gently slide the printhead left and right, and check for paper scraps trapped underneath the printhead. Close the scanner cover. Remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Check the paper for damage or irregularities that could prevent it from feeding properly. Also verify the weight and thickness of the paper. Follow the link on the screen for more information on paper specifications. Next, fan the paper and reload it into the paper tray. Ensure that the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now replace the paper tray. Next, we will clear out any other paper scraps in the paper path of your machine. You will need a maintenance sheet to clear the paper path. If you do not have a maintenance sheet, you can also use a letter-sized sheet of cardstock or photo paper. Regular paper cannot be used. Open the manual feed slot on the rear of the machine and lift the paper support. Using both hands, insert the maintenance sheet until the front edge touches the feed roller. The machine will now draw the sheet in. Release the maintenance sheet when this happens. Now cycle the power by unplugging your machine from the outlet for 5 seconds and then replugging it. The maintenance sheet will be pulled through the paper path, dislodging any hidden paper scraps. Pull out the paper tray and remove any paper scraps found. Reinstall the paper tray and press Next on the touchscreen. Open the scanner cover and remove any paper scraps in the platen area. Close the scanner cover. Next, we will print a quality check sheet. Please note that the quality check sheet is a one-sided document. If your machine jammed while printing a two-sided document, you'll need to test it by printing another two-sided document from your computer. On the touchscreen, press the ink icon. Then press Improve Print Quality. Now press Check Print Quality. Then press Start. Once the quality check sheet prints correctly, the procedure is complete. If the error message continues to display, you'll need to clean the encoder strip. Follow the link on the screen to view the encoder strip cleaning procedure. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother